Good morning, students. Today we are going to study about your second chapter, that is operating system. Okay. So an operating system is a software program. It enables the computer hardware to communicate and operate with the computer software. So operating system is like a bridge between the software and the hardware or a user. Okay. So let's start studying about the operating system now. So there are two types of operating system. One is single user operating system. A single user operating system allows only one person to work on it at a time. So only one person can use at a time one computer in a single user operating system. For example, MS-DOS, Mac OS and Windows OS. Okay. Second one is multi-user operating system. A multi-user operating system allows many people to use the same computer at the same time or different time. So in multi-user operating system, with one system, many people can use by connecting multiple monitors or multiple systems. For example, NetWare and Linux. Okay. So there are two types of operating system. One is single user operating system. Second one is multi-user operating system. Now let's study about the Windows operating system. Okay. Nowadays more frequently we use Windows 7 operating system. Okay. There are many update to Windows operating system. It started with Windows 1 and now we are using Windows 10, but more oftenly everybody will use Windows 7 operating system. So Windows 7 is a powerful operating system. It is a multi-user and multitasking operating system. So we will study one by one components of an operating system, that is Windows operating system. First one is file. So what is a file? So file, we use a file to store data in the computer. So file is used to store data in the computer. So let's show you what is files. For example, this Microsoft Excel file is a file. This Microsoft Word file, this is also a file. And this is one video file here. This is also an example of file. Okay, children. Now next is folder. We use a folder to store files and other folders in a computer. So what is a folder? So folder is something in which we store files. For example, see here. This is a folder. This is folder. This is also folder and this is folder, and these things are called folder. So these are called files. Okay. And this one is called a folder. Next is about drive. So a drive is the name of a storage location of files and folders. Drives are initialized with the special names such as C, D, E and etc. So now let's see the drives. Drives will be in the My Computer. So let's open the My Computer to see the drives. Okay, children. So see here, as you can see here, local disk C, local disk D. These two are called drives. In these drives, different folders and files will be present. Okay, so this is about drive. So next is desktop and icons. The first screen on the monitor shows small pictures on it. We call it a desktop. The small pictures are called icons. The icons on the desktop represent file, folder or a program. By double clicking these icons, we can open them. Okay, so let's see it. So this entire area is called a desktop. Okay, and these small pictures are there, no? These are called icons. Okay, these all are file icon, folder icons, or these are called program icons. Okay, for example, Avast Antivirus, Adobe Reader, ISO, these all are program icons. Okay, this is about desktop and icons. Next, let's study about taskbar. So what is taskbar? So at the bottom of the screen there is a long horizontal bar. We call it the taskbar. The program that opens appear on it in the form of button with the icon. Okay children, so this is taskbar. See here children, this horizontal bar, as you can see here, this horizontal bar, the start button is here and program icons are there, timer is there. Okay, this is called taskbar. Okay children, this is about taskbar. Now next is start button. So this icon is called start button. Icon at the left corner of the taskbar is the start button. We use it to start any program. When we click on this button, a menu appears. This is the start menu. Okay children, this is about start button. Okay, start button is used to go to the programs. Next is left panel of the start menu. It shows a list of available programs. Okay, left panel. This is called a left panel. Okay, as you can see all the programs here. Okay, see here. This is called left panel of the start menu. Next is right panel of the start menu. The right panel provides access to commonly used folders, files, settings and features. One of the option here is shutdown. We use this to turn off the computer. See here, this is the right panel of the start menu. As you can see, folders are there. This is document folder, picture folder, music folder and computer. Okay, this is control panel is settings. For going to settings, okay, device and printer, control panel, these are setting options. And turn off computer is this one, shutdown. If you click on shutdown, your computer will be turned off. Okay children, so this is about today's thing. So today we learnt about Windows 7 operating system. In that the components we seen today are files, folders, drive, desktop and icon, taskbar, start button, left panel of start menu and right panel of the start menu. Okay children, this is about today's chapter. In 2-3 days I will be sending the notes regarding this lesson. So watch this video and understand the operating system concept. Okay children, thank you.